See this look? Hi everyone! Today we're recreating the elegant fairy princess makeup look that Jisoo wore to the Met Gala. She looked absolutely stunning. The best part is that this makeup style is actually very wearable for everyday people, whether you're going on a date, attending a wedding, or heading to a formal event. It's soft and feminine while still giving off a luxurious, sophisticated vibe. Before we start, credit goes to Wai, the talented makeup artist behind this recreation. She has become well known for recreating Jisoo's iconic makeup looks, and many of her Jisoo-inspired transformations have gained millions of views online. Her attention to detail and ability to capture Jisoo's signature elegance are what make these tutorials so popular. Base makeup. Jisoo's base makeup has a natural soft matte finish. You can use either a radiant foundation or a semi-matte one. Apply foundation in sections. Use a slightly lighter shade in the center of the face and blend it out with a thin layer. Pat it gently into the skin. Use leftover product on the eyelids. Then use a slightly deeper shade around the outer areas of the face to blend naturally into the lighter center. This creates a lightweight, skin-like base that evens out the complexion without looking heavy. Contour. Her contour is very natural, so use a cool gray-brown shade. For the nose, draw a small V shape on the tip of the nose, tapering inward. Leave the center empty. Blend from the bridge of the nose into the eye socket area. Shade the triangle area connecting the brows and nose bridge. Blend everything softly. Add a little contour along the sides of the nose bridge for natural dimension. Deepen the V shape and slightly darken the area above the nostrils to create more structure. For the face, apply contour from the cheekbones toward the jawline. Blend well to soften the facial structure and avoid harsh lines. Highlight and setting. Apply highlight mainly on the brow bone, lightly on the nose bridge. Set the makeup. Spray setting spray. Use a translucent powder. Focus on setting the brows and eye area first. Press a light layer onto the cheeks. Jisoo's brows are soft, straight, and slightly fluffy. Use a gray-brown brow pencil. Sharpen it beforehand. Fill in individual hairs naturally. Focus only on sparse areas. Keep the tail short. Clean up the shape with concealer. Finish with brow gel, brushing the hairs upward, especially at the front. Eye makeup. This eye look uses low saturation pink and lavender tones with lots of dimension. 1. Apply a pale pink shade all over the eyelids and lower lash line to even out discoloration. 2. Mix a pink and lavender shade. Blend upward from the lash line. Concentrate color on the outer half of the eye. 3. Deepen the crease using a rosy shade. 4. Use a deep red shade along the lash line, focusing only on the outer third. 5. Blend slightly, but keep the depth concentrated. For brightness, apply a white shimmer from the inner corner to the center of the eye and onto the aegyosal. To recreate Jisoo's eye shape, use gray tones to softly define the deepest part of the eye socket. Blend downward gently. Glitter. Details. One of the prettiest parts of this look is how sparkly her eyes are. Apply purple shimmer to the inner corners. Extend it slightly downward. Add pink shimmer across the upper eyelid. Layer pink-purple shimmer onto the aegyosal. The result is a beautiful sparkling effect that catches the light from every angle. Eyeliner. Draw both inner and outer eyeliner. Keep it close to the lash line. Blend as you go. Extend the wings slightly and soften it with a brush. Use brown shadow to subtly open the inner corners. Add rose-colored shimmer to the outer third of the lower lash line. Lashes. Jisoo's lashes are separated and wispy, with a slight outward flare at the ends. Use Korean-style individual lashes. Add a few flared clusters at the outer corners. Blend natural and false lashes together with mascara. Make sure the lashes stay defined and separated. Blush. Blush is one of the key elements of this look. Use a peachy pink blush. Apply from the cheekbones downward. Don't bring it lower than directly beneath the pupils. Extend lightly toward the temples. Build gradually with thin layers. Highlight. Use a matte brightening powder on the center of the face. Then, apply a lavender-toned highlighter from the cheekbones upward. Highlight the nose bridge and nose tip. Add fine shimmer from the cheekbones toward the brow bones. Lips. First, shape the lips with a contour pencil. Apply a nude pink lipstick as the base. Layer a peachy pink shade in the center. Use a deep rose color to draw a small V shape on the Cupid's bow. Finish with lip gloss. Final look. And that's it! The elegant Met Gala-inspired fairy makeup look is complete. Whether you're attending a wedding, birthday party, or any formal occasion, this look feels fresh, luxurious, and effortlessly sophisticated. It's a beautiful way to capture Jisoo's signature elegance while still keeping it wearable for everyday people.